Well, I am an outsider to the end of my days. Thomas Hardy. Hey guys, today's topic of the video is going to be about one of the most important and one of my favorite novel in English literature, which is Jude the Obscure, written by Thomas Hardy. But before starting, I will suggest you to subscribe to my channel so that you can get all the literature related videos. Also follow me on Instagram so that you can get all the literature related video updates from there. So starting with the introduction of the novel, this novel is written by Thomas Hardy. Thomas Hardy is famous for his pessimistic, realistic and bleak and gloomy tone in his novel. I have also made a video on his biography and his style and his works. So you can watch this video. Find the link in the description below. So this novel was published in from 1894 to 1895 in Harper's New Monthly and Heart's Insurgent magazine. It is the first fiction written by Thomas Hardy. The entire environment of the novel is gloomy and circling around a protagonist, Jude Foley, and his love for education and later his sexual life. And that's the reason which sparked the readers of this age, and this book was banned. A reviewer in the Pall Mall Gazette renamed the book Jude the Obscene from Jude the Obscure and branded the book a work of naked squalor and ugliness. So this book bear a lot of criticism in its era, but it is thought as a normal book nowadays. So that's the timely conversations about these books when they are written, and how they are received by critics, by public and other institutions of society. So moving towards the main characters of this novel, Jude Foley is the protagonist of the novel. Mr. Phillotson, who is also a professor and inspiration of Jude. Arabella Dunn is the first love of Jude. Sue Brighthead is the second lover and the long-lasting lover of Jude the Obscure, Jude Foley. And Little Father Time is the son of Jude and Arabella. So moving toward deconstruction. So let's deconstruct all these characters. Jude Foley is the protagonist of the novel. He is a poor villager and his search for education leads him to indulge in a sexual life, and he dies in the end of this novel. Mr. Phillotson is the inspiration of Jude in the start of the story, and later he marries lover of Jude, Arabella, and he is a polite person throughout the novel. Arabella Dunn is the first lover of Jude, and she is a daughter of a pig farmer and she works at inn, bar or tavern. So Sue Brighthead is the second lover and first cousin of Jude. The novel revolves around the life of her and Jude's relationship mainly. So who is the Little Father Time? Little Father Time is the son of Arabella and Jude, and he commits suicide in the novel. Moving toward the setting of this novel, I have read this book and it is divided in these sections. The novel is written in Victorian England, and there is such a critique over the Victorian models of religion and Christianity. The novel contains a total 6 parts, and each part of the novel has different settings. So first part is at Mary Green, second part at Churchminster, third part at Manchester, fourth at Shaston, fifth part at Aldbrickham and elsewhere, and sixth part at Churchminster again. Moving towards the summary of this novel. Jude Foley dreams of studying at the university in Churchminster, but his background as an orphan raised by his working class aunt lead him instead into a career as a stonemason. He is inspired by the ambition of Tower schoolmaster Richard Philistine, and who left for Churchminster when Jude was a child. However, Jude falls in love with a young woman named Arabella, is tricked into marrying her, and cannot leave his home village. When their marriage goes bad, Arabella moves to Australia, and Jude resolves to go to Churchminster at last to complete his education. However, he finds that his attempts to enroll at university are met with little enthusiasm. His enthusiasm is growing dim. Now, that quest for knowledge, of becoming something, is now getting fading. So Jude meets his cousin Sue Brighthead and tries not to fall in love with her. He arranges for her to work with Philistine in order to keep her in Churchminster, but is disappointed when he discovers that the two are engaged to be married. Once they married, Jude is not surprised to find that Sue is not happy with her situation, with her life, and she can no longer tolerate the relationship and leaves her husband Philistine and start living with Jude. Both Jude and Sue get divorced from their partners, but Sue does not want to remarry with Jude. Arabella leaves to Jude, reveals to Jude that they have a son in Australia, and Jude asks him to take him in England. So Sue and Jude serve as parents to the little boy, little Father Time, and have two children of their own out of marriage circle. Jude falls ill and they are recovered. He decides to return to Churchminster with his family. They have trouble finding lodging because they are not married, and Jude stays in an inn separate from Sue and the children. At night, Sue takes Jude's son out to look for a room, and the little boy decides that they would be better off without so many children. In the morning, Sue goes to Jude's room and eats breakfast with him. They return to the lodging house to find that Jude's son has hanged, and the other two children and himself. And feeling she has been punished by God for her relationship with Jude's outside marriage, Sue goes back to live with her previous husband, Philistine, and Jude is tricked into living with Arabella again, and Jude died soon. Moving towards the major themes of this novel, religion was a key theme in all the Victorian novels. Religion, marriage, education, gloominess, passion, fate, social criticism, women in society, sexual relation, separation. Thanks for watching. I hope you like or dislike this video. Also comment on the comment box for further inquiry, and also subscribe to our channel to get more, and also follow on Instagram so that you can get all the literary updates from there.